Bryce.
I'm Joshua.
I'm JT, and we are the MATE ROV Senior Design Team. Now, MATE stands for Marine Advanced Technological Education and is a competition based on furthering advancements in marine technology as well as improving the technological aspects of industry and research.
So every year, MATE sponsors and runs a competition that has different categories. Our category is the Pioneer class. And basically for this year, there were 3 separate tasks. One general overview of them is that one is to go underwater, model a shipwreck, and collect samples from the shipwreck and return that information to the surface. The second task is to repair and connect solar arrays on the surface using the ROV. And the third is to utilize an independent float device, which is used to take a vertical profile down to a certain depth, make measurements, return to the surface, and then report that information back through our ROV to our control station.
And this is our ROV, the remotely operated vehicle. Its main housing is an acrylic tube that has all the electronics in it, including transformers, cameras, distribution, ESCs, and its ends are 3D printed to keep the water out. The frame is bolted with bolts and 3D printed frames also, and held together with the 2 acrylic frames, and the pillars are also 3D printed here, and we control it with the 4 motors here to go sideways, front, back, and to go up and down. We have a center motor right here.
I think I can't tell.
There's a leak.
Never mind. It was when I was looking at that one, you can see the water surrounding it.